Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. The holidays won't be the same without baked goods. Fruitcake, pavlova, bûche de Noël, or even tiramisu are great desserts to serve. Other baking we like to make is cookies, like gingerbread, biscotti, butter pecan, and others, including these ones. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my thumbprint cookies. They're so cute and quite easy to make. The beauty of making them is you can use whichever jam or jellies you like. It's also a perfect recipe to get your little ones involved. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a large bowl, we'll add flour, then baking soda, and ground sea salt. We'll whisk the ingredients very well and set aside for now. In a bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add a couple sticks of softened butter, some brown sugar, as well as granulated sugar. Using the paddle attachment, we'll process on medium speed until the mixture is somewhat creamy. We'll then add an egg, orange zest, which gives a nice subtle flavor, and pure vanilla extract, but nothing is stopping you from adding other flavors. We'll mix until incorporated. Next, we'll add half of the dry ingredients to the batter mixture and blend on low speed. We'll add the remaining half of the dry ingredients and process again, cleaning the sides of the bowl. When we're done, the dough will be sticky, so we'll transfer the bowl to the fridge for about 30 minutes, long enough so we can easily handle it. Alright, so half an hour later, the dough should be drier and not as sticky. So now we'll use an ice cream scoop, portion the dough into tablespoon-sized balls, and roll it tight between our palms until nice and smooth. We'll then use our thumb, but in my case I won't because of my nail, so the other alternative is to use the back of a half a teaspoon. You can also use your knuckle if you prefer, or if there are little ones around, ask them to do it. They'll love it. We'll place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and fill up the cavities with our preferred jam or jelly. Even orange or lemon curd filling works as well. This year, I chose my strawberry jam and my mint jelly. Now, if your jam or jelly is too thick, place them in separate small microwave-safe bowls and heat them briefly on high, about 7 to 10 seconds, or until they're easier to stir. Next, we'll transfer them to a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for 13 to 14 minutes, or until the edges just start turning golden. We'll remove from the heat and let the cookies cool for 10 minutes before transferring them on a wire rack to cool completely. And my friends, these are our thumbprint cookies. These colorful Swedish cookies are perfect for the holidays. What's extra nice about them is you can choose whatever jam or jelly flavor you like. They're fun to make and a delicious sweet treat young and old will enjoy. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!